Today, I want to talk to you about something fascinating: how cats groom themselves and why it's so important for them. You see, cats are incredible creatures. One of the things they do best is grooming themselves. Have you ever noticed how a cat uses its tongue to lick its fur? It's like they have their own built-in brush. Cats are very clean animals, and grooming is a big part of their daily routine. They use their rough tongues to lick their fur, starting from their head all the way down to their tails. This not only helps them keep their fur looking neat and tidy, but it also serves several other important purposes. Firstly, grooming helps cats stay cool. When they lick themselves, their saliva evaporates from their fur, making them feel more comfortable, especially on a hot day. Secondly, grooming keeps their coat healthy. Cats have a natural oil on their skin, and when they groom, they spread this oil all over their fur. It acts as a protective barrier and keeps their skin moisturized. Thirdly, grooming helps cats remove dirt and loose hairs. You know how we have to comb our hair to get rid of tangles? Well, cats use their tongues to do the same. By getting rid of loose hairs, they prevent hairballs from forming in their tummies. Another fantastic thing about grooming is that it's like a form of relaxation for cats. When they groom themselves, it releases happy hormones in their brains, making them feel content and calm. As you can see, grooming is essential for cats' well-being. But guess what? It's also a sign of how much they care about you. Sometimes, you might see your cat licking your hand or your facet. That's their way of showing affection and treating you like part of their furry family. So, the next time you see your furry friend grooming itself, remember all the fantastic reasons why they do it. It helps them stay clean, healthy, and happy. And if you have a pet cat, you can show them some love too. You can help by brushing their fur gently to keep it tidy and clean. Cats love it when their humans help them stay well groomed. Always remember, cats are incredible creatures, and their grooming habits are just one of the many things that make them so special and lovable. Treat your furry friends with care and kindness, and they'll be your loyal companions for years to come. Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you learned something new about our amazing feline friends. Have a perfectly wonderful day.